Harvest time. ऐसे करते हैं हार्वेस्ट। टमाटर बहुत सारे, तो ये देखिए जूसी चेरी tomatoes. So this is the tomato harvest. We have got some really hot chilies here. More cucumbers. Since we are not using any chemical fertilizers, and I can eat this right away. Very delicious. This is an oversized cucumber. I should have harvested this a bit earlier. We have lots of pomegranates in our garden too. These will be ready by October here in Gilgit. So I'll be sharing an update when they are ready. If I want. Still, we've got more to harvest.
All the signs say that
Harvest
this
this one.
corn is ready. Let's harvest this one.